Okay, let's do some monochromatics. This is what we're going to do. So all of these I put up in mind with monochromatics, and they're all $12.99 today. So this is first one is 100% cotton. It's a lovely pink, this pink that's so popular right now. So think those new pants, the gauze, Eileen Fisher's, those lightweight gauze pants, $34.25 would be beautiful in this, a little top to match. Just cute, summery, springy, all of the above. These two really blend well together. You might do pants with this or tops or monochromatic and do it all. Again, 100% cotton. This is a woven. Just a great lightweight fabric, yet not see-through for coverage. And you could easily do top and bottom and it would be adorable. I saw a bias top and a straight bottom. And so it was monochromatic, but they used the, the different shifts. And so Tuesday night we're going to talk about monochromatics, but these are really the fabrics. This is a reversible, 100% cotton, just adorable, little tiny gingham check, just cute. This can be, again, $12.99, you guys, for all these. This is a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions, great movement. You could easily do a top and bottom all the way, a little sheath dress with a little jacket. This could be the jacket is what I was thinking. I just love this, again, reversible. This is a cotton poly. Both sides of this can show, so you can think, gosh, 95, 96, any of those patterns in there would work really well. $12.99, you guys, what a steal. This is, I love this linear. This is a knit, a stretch, so it'd be great, like in just a simple pair of pants with a top. Again, very simple. Love the colors, just love the colors. We're seeing lots of orange, pinks, navies. These are all just right on. This is actually a black and white. It's not a navy, it is a black. It's hard to tell. It's hard to tell, but it is a black. We put it up next to. The gold, $12.99, that's Happy Sewing from Silhouette Patterns.